Good morning students, welcome to the class. Today's topic that we are going to cover, we started with trigonometry chapter in the last class. In today's class, what we will be doing is, we will be studying trigonometric values, trigonometric angles for various trigonometric ratios that we did in the last class. So, let us recapitulate what we did. It was the 6 trigonometric ratios that we studied. Sin theta, we did cos theta, we did tan theta, we did cosec theta, then we discussed sec theta, we also discussed cot theta. Today the class will be about the values of these trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. The angles that I am talking about will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so today's class will be about finding value of sin 0, finding value of sin 30, then sin 45, then sin 60 and sin 90. So how in the last class we were just having sin theta, we were having sin A, we were having sin B. Here it is specifically 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. You must have noticed we are talking about only these 5 ratios. We are not talking about any other angle. The angles are lying between 0 degree and 90 degree. The angles beyond 90 degree you will be doing in your class 11. So if you opt for higher classes, then you will be going for angles beyond 90 degree. Then you will be studying angles in the second quadrant. Let us talk about sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 90 is 1. So you may see, it is very easy to learn these. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Okay. Now, this is for sine. Similar table can be plotted for values of cos. So we will have cos 0, we will have cos 30, we will have cos 45, we will have cos 90. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Now look at this, find out the relation between this. You can easily find that if I reverse the values of sine, I will get values of cos. Okay. So see, sin 90 is 1. Here cos 0 is 1. Then sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Here cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 0 is 0. Here sin 90 is 0. So it is very easy to learn. But again, now let us talk about the values of tan also. Tan can be calculated. In the previous class, I just explained tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So now I know you must be very clear how to find the values of tan. Tan can be calculated by just dividing these two. Sin upon cos. So 0 by 1. Tan 0 will become 0. And if I divide the further values, tan 30 will become 1 by root 3. Tan 45 will become 1. Tan 60 will become root 3. Tan 90 will be 1 by 0. So it will become not defined. So here we have values of sine, we have values of cos, we have values of tan. Is that clear to you? Now let us start about any other way of finding these values, because sometimes it becomes very difficult for you to learn. So at the time of your exam, you can have this shortcut also. Instead of learning the table, and you can frame the table yourself. What you have to do in that case is simply write down the counting from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first step. The second step is divide all these numbers by 4. The third step is take the square root of these fractions so obtained. Okay. So it is 3 by 4, it is 4 by 4. Okay. Now this is 0, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. See, what we have got here is these are the values of sine. Sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Okay, so in sine the table, if you learn these 4 steps, it becomes easy for you to frame the values of sine. As we have already discussed how to find out cos, just reverse the value. Started from here, it will become 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. And we know 0 degrees, 0 stands for 0 degree, 1 is 30 degree, 2 is 45 degree, 3 is 60 degree and 4 is 90 degree. So this table can be very easily framed. Now let us solve a question to understand the type of questions that are asked from this topic. Suppose I have to find sine 60 cos 30 minus cos 60 sine 30. We have just learned the values. It becomes very easy. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is also root 3 by 2. Minus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is also 1 by 2. So this becomes 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 2 by 4. And the final answer comes out to be 1 by 2. I hope you all enjoyed this. It was an easy way to learn the tricks. Thank you so much. Thanks for participating.